If you have a digestion weakness like acidity or diabetes mellitus or indigestion or obesity, when spleen yang is less, the stagnation happens in the body, that in the form of cyst or in the form of any extra growth like malignant or non-malignant cells and fibroids and many more. So all are spleen weakness only. Spleen yang is less. The primary symptom is lack of hunger. If anybody not getting hungry within 9 o'clock, then spleen yang is less. If you say spleen yang deficiency, you can note down 100 diseases from head to toe. In the head, we feel head heaviness or sinus and many more things. And in the face, if the chin is swollen more, chubbiness, that is spleen yang deficiency only. And the phlegm in the lungs, because spleen is unable to convert food into blood. The undigested food, it's converting into phlegm or mucus. The phlegm which comes through nose and mouth, the mucus, it goes in the stools. That is also spleen yang is deficient. Finally, when yang is deficient in the body, your body fluids are not converting into your digestive juices. Food and water is not converting into blood. Then those things will accumulate in the body, especially everywhere. If it accumulates in the mouth, you feel mouth sweetness and your tongue will swell and with the teeth mark. When lung will swell, it is pressing the teeth and creating the teeth mark. That is because of the dampness and wetness on the tongue and swelling in the anywhere part of the body, maybe foot swelling and body swelling. So all these things is a spleen yang deficiency. One thing you observe, spleen yang is deficient means what you are drinking, no, that is not converting into body fluids. It will stay in the body like that only. So the stagnated fluids are enemy for you. That weakens your digestion, that weakens your kidney elimination, that weakens your lungs and accumulate the phlegm, that weakens your heart and make the cholesterol accumulation and creates the heart blockage. And that the fluids which left out in the mind that creates the stagnation and makes depression. Anywhere, just imagine the farmland is not dried up due to continuous rains. Anything you can grow there? No, not possible. Even if you put fertilizer also, if the continuous water stagnation on the land, that makes your land weaken. The same thing happens with spleen yang deficiency. Initially, it starts with the spleen chi deficiency. Chi deficiency means the chi is not properly flowing into the digestion system. Later, it goes to the chronic stages. Then we call it as a spleen yang deficiency. The movement is further weakened. Even all nutritional deficiency because your food is not digesting properly. The weakness of your digestion because of the stagnation of fluids, because of the dampness. Why the dampness happened? Because your spleen yang is too weak. It's unable to convert your water into body fluids. Why it is spleen yang is weak? Because you are not creating momentum at all. Morning to evening you are sitting, that in the AC room, and after that you are eating all the food which is damp in nature, oily, greasy, fried, sweets and refined. All this that makes your spleen yang is deficient. More than this, all your hybrid food, genetically modified food, that weakens your spleen chi. Later it becomes spleen yang deficiency. And one more important thing is, the major enemy is people are eating up to here. That's wrong.